Just take the printer out of the plastic packaging, so just remove the outer covering first. Also you can see the tapes, so just open the front chamber and remove the tapes carefully, and all the things you get with the printer is here. And now also insert the power cord, so that one end goes at the back of this and one to the electrical supply. Now switch on the printer as we are going to install the starter ink. Now to do that, first we need to load the page. So open the rear tray and adjust the size. As you can see, there is a size adjuster there. Now you can load A4 size pages, and once you do that, now we are going to install the starter ink cartridges. Now here is the chamber for the starter ink cartridge, as you can see in the front, and output tray is here. Now take the ink cartridges out of the packaging, so you can remove it by cutting with the scissor, or you can just tear it off. Take the starter ink cartridges out. Now remove the cover, and there is an orange seal, as you can see, at the back side of this cartridge, so you have to remove that as well, and do it for the both color and the black ink cartridge. So just we remove that. So seals has to be removed. Now open the front door of this printer. As you can see, it is just in the front here. There is a second door which is for the ink cartridge chamber. Open that as well. Now you will see the ink cartridge chamber will move and come into the middle. Now you can take the color cartridge and put it on the color side and black on the black side. So just slide it in and push it inwards, it will lock itself. You can hold the printer with the other hand and do it for the black as well. Just hold the printer, slide it in, push it in, it will lock itself. So that's the easiest way to unbox and do the starter ink setup for this printer. Thanks for watching.